Hello everyone. In this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best drones for kids this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Force 1 Scoot Drone. This drone-line helicopter toy, which has the memorable name, Scoot, is perfect for younger children, think ages 3+. This toy is hand-launched and controlled with one key takeoff, landing and altitude hold. The built-in gyroscope can control accuracy and sensitivity to make balance. Has 4 power motor fast rotations to provide power to make itself 360 degrees rotating flying. It is supposed to fly for about 8 minutes on average. It carries 3 magical sensors. This little robot mini drone uses high-tech sensors to detect obstacles for hands-free flight. Theoretically, this drone has an unlimited range. Usually prop guards and smaller drones are recommended for kids. It is the pinnacle of safety, having a full body cover that doesn't let the propellers touch anything. It also has 2 speed models, green light for normal speed and blue light for fast speed with shining LED light indicator. It carries a 1-year warranty. At number 4. Potenzic A20 Mini Drone. The Potenzic A20 Mini Drone upgraded is a fun, colorful option with a very simple remote control. It's easily portable, can be maneuvered very easily, and has 2 batteries for twice as long flight time. The manufacturer suggests users ages 8 and up, although it is extremely easy to explain the controls to children 6 or so years old. Here comes a super cute 2.4G remote control mini drone with 2 extra batteries, a good toy for kids as a birthday or holiday gift. All functions equipped one key taking off, landing, altitude hold, headless mode and emergency stop, etc. Simple operations make kids and parents easy to play together. Come and take it away, play with your whole families. It is sports with 3 different speed settings for a customizable experience. The remote control for this drone has 4 controls: 1. The launch and land button, 2. The left control toggle, 3. The right control toggle, 4. The on/off power button. It is featured with altitude hold, headless mode, and 1 key taking off, landing and emergency stop. It is included with 2 detachable batteries. Its flight time is about 5 minutes after usually taking around 45 minutes to fully charge. It carries a 1-year warranty. At number 3. Holy Stone HS170. This mini drone is perfect for taking on trips or using in houses. It has 3 batteries for extended flight time about up to 21 minutes after a charge time of 40 to 60 minutes. It's great for ages 8+. It comes with a portable design with propeller protection plus extra propellers. Auto hovering function, easy to play including headless mode. The bells and whistles mainly consist of 360-degree turns, the easy-to-use remote, and great control. Its control range is 164 ft. The remote control comes with 8 buttons and toggles total, made up of the power button, the launch/land button, the elevation toggle, the direction toggle, the 360-degree turn button, and a couple of other general function controls. The drone can perform 3D flips. It is designed with a low battery alarm. Motors can stop running when hitting obstacles, which can protect motors from burning out. Now let's talk about features. Headless flight system orients the quadcopter's flight on the controller instead of always on the drone's head, making it more interesting to fly and easier to master. Low interference 2.4 GHz technology. 6-axis gyro stabilization system for effortless recovery after stunts and sudden moves. Wind resistant. Control range 30 to 50 meters. Flying time 6 to 8 minutes. Charging time 45 to 60 minutes under current input 0.5 A1A. At number 2. Drocon Ninja Drone. This quality drone comes at a recognizably great price for the quality of the camera it has and the convenient, foldable design it boasts. Convenient for packing away and using to take pictures during a camping trip, or simply folding up to store in a tidy space, this is a durable drone that comes with camera children will enjoy practicing with. This camera designed with a 120-degree adjustable 720p HD camera with a wide-angle lens that can be connected to smartphones and controlled through an app via Wi-Fi including remote control options. The recommended age bracket is 14+. This drone is easy to get the hang of for kids 11+. This drone has been optimized for convenient control to make the beginning easier for any drone pilot just branching into a new hobby. Check out some of its basic rundowns. It uses an altitude hold option for more control with one-key launch and returns. This drone can perform a cool 3D flip 3-speed modes. The 6-axis gyro flying control system allows us to easily achieve stable flight, resulting in better and clearer pictures. Its max flying distance is 80 meters and max Wi-Fi FPV transmission distance is 50 meters. The flight time is generally 5 to 7 minutes while charge time is generally close to 60 minutes. The gravity sensor mode is included that enables you to automatically follow the direction you move your phone. Foldable and flexible blades make this drone small and portable. It carries a 1-year warranty. At number 1. Snapton S5C Drone. This drone sports 60-degree wide-angle 720p HD camera that is compatible with smartphones and has its own app. The manufacturer actually suggests that this high-quality drone's recommended user be aged 10+. It is easy to use remote with one-button launch, land and trajectory control enabled flight planning with voice controls. Its video transmission up to 262 feet away with 3-speed modes. It carries propeller guards and extra propellers including headless mode. Its altitude hold function ensures a steady hover in the air at a certain altitude with trajectory flight function. Check the Wi-Fi status of the drone to avoid losing control. When it drops to one of 4 bars, please fly the drone back immediately. The Snapton Era app has voice control, gravity control, 3D VR and trajectory flight, etc. The battery included allows for up to 10 minutes of flight time, although that generally lasts 7 minutes. Charge time varies to around 1 hour.